In this video, I'm going to show you how, when all the products have been received, the worksheet is automatically saved as a PDF. So this is one that I've similarly done before, where when you scan the items, they turn green to show that to indicate that they have been received. So let's scan our last item here. I don't have a barcode scanner, so I'm copying it, and I'm pasting in the barcode scan place. And it turns green, and if we go to our file folder where this is kept, and I press F5 to refresh it, automatically you have your October 25th saved, and that's saved as a PDF. So what I'm going to do to explain the code to you is I'm going back to my worksheet, and I'm going to go to October 27th. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this color here, and I'm going to paste it onto everything but the last one. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on here so I can see the code of my sheet, and just for demonstration purposes I've put the call green. I've commented it out so it won't run automatically. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to select this last one and copy it into the scan in box, and now I'm going to bring up my code and we can walk through it. So here's my code green, and so let's just F8 through that. And so it's going through and it's determining what the last row is of that sheet, and the last row is 10. It's saying it's checking for a barcode in the barcode cell, and then it's looking down the A column to see whether that barcode exists. If it does exist, then what it's going to do is it's going to select that, and it's going to change the index color to 4, which is green, and then it's going to select the active sheet, and it's checking everything. And then now what it's doing here, this is what I've added on, it is checking that each cell is green. So what I've done is I've named this R data as active sheet range 4 to the last row in the first column, and I'm checking that all of those are green. So for each one of them, and if they are green, then life is fine, and if they're not green, then it goes to ND, which is going to the end of the end if and the end sub. So let's go through this. So it's checking that all of them are green, and I think there. And now it's calling archive. Archive is now calling it to save this worksheet as a PDF, and so it's going to name the active sheet the worksheet name and .pdf. So it's whatever the day of the month it is what we have, and then we go end sub and end if, and we're good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to my file folder, and I'm going to F5, I'm sorry, to refresh it, and there we have our October 27th now saved as a PDF. I will of course include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.